name of the Lord is a strong tower. I run in and I am safe. When the pressure rises higher, you are still my hiding place. Every fear that tries to chase me, every storm that shakes my ground, I don't fight it on my own. I run to Jehovah Sabaoth. I just run where your strength and peace is found. You are my refuge, my shelter in the rain. You are my covering. You take away all the pain. No matter what surrounds me, I will not be afraid. No, never afraid. Because your name is my protection. Your presence is my dwelling place. I run to you. I run to you, Jehovah Sabaoth. I run to you, straight into the safety of your truth. The walls may fall, but you remain. You are steady, you don't change. I am covered, I am known, I am never left alone. Strong tower, I run in, Jehovah Sabaoth. Jehovah Sabaoth. My shelter, my Lord, my Redeemer. Jehovah, Jehovah, Jehovah Sabaoth.